Okay, I'm taking the Wet n Wild 40 palette and I'm starting off with the yellow shade. And I have my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed with concealer, and that's it, and primer. But I'm taking the yellow shade on a dense brush and kind of packing it on my inner corner area, like bringing it around my inner corner. Then I'm taking orange and taking it on a flat, dense brush and just kind of moving it along my crease inwards. Then red, same thing. And after I pack down each color, I kind of go through with an empty brush and blend it just to make sure it's not a harsh line on top. And then I'm going in with purple. And same thing. I'm building it up until it's the intensity that I want, like I normally do with my eyeshadow. I'm blending it with a clean brush. Then I'm taking blue and doing the same thing, and I'm kind of winging it out like this, since I'm going to do a cut crease type of look, so that way like the blue goes out with the wing. Showing you my little blend. I only did one eye, I did the other eye off camera after that. And I'm taking concealer on a small e.l.f. concealer brush and putting it all over my eyelid in a cut crease shape, just following the shape of my eye. And I do cut creases a lot, so it's pretty easy for me to figure out the shape that I need. But if it's not for you, then just kind of keep playing with it until you get the right shape. And I winged out the concealer too. And then once I'm done applying the concealer where I want it, I'm taking the same colors I put in my crease on set and putting them on the concealer, starting with blue, then purple, then red, orange, and yellow. So in the reverse order that I have it in my crease. And I'm kind of like packing on the color first and going through and blending it instead of like trying to blend it at the same time. Then I'm taking this Milani Stick Foundation, applying it to my face. And this is the lightest shade probably. And I had primer on my face already. Then I'm taking a little sponge and blending it out. And then I'm taking the Milani concealer and putting it on my chin, my like jawline area, and my nose and cupid's bow and forehead. Looks like I'm putting a lot on, kind of, but honestly I'm not. It blends out pretty well. And then the sponge soaks up product. Oh yeah, putting on my under eye too. And then blending it out with the same sponge. Trying to go around my eyebrows. Normally don't do my brows before my foundation and stuff, but I've got a pomade, so I like to do it beforehand in case I mess up. And then when I do my under eye, I blend it out first, and then I set it instantly with powder, like you see here. And then setting it with powder. Just that way it doesn't have time to crease, because my under eyes like have the little wrinkles, and it just, a lot of stuff creases a lot there, so try to do what I can to make it not. And then I set my whole face like that, because I'm oily, and that's the best way I've been able to set my face that makes it like last all day. I'm trying to go around my brows, but if I get powder on them, it's okay, because I'm just going to go back through with brow powder and touch them up, and then blend the inside a little bit more, the front part of my brow, and then I'm taking the yellow shade and mixing it with the darkest green shade to make it more of like a yellowy green instead of a teal green, I guess. Well, I guess teal is green, whatever. Mixing those two shades and putting it on my lower lash line. With a flatter, dense brush. And then I take it on a smaller brush and wing it out under the yellow. And then I'm taking, what am I doing? Oh, my eyeliner. I'm taking the NYX white eyeliner and putting it in between the two rainbows and kind of outlining the cut crease, I guess. And I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter and putting it on my inner corner, and I dampened it a little bit because it just wasn't enough for me. And I put it on my brow bone too, and then I put it on my nose and cupid's bow and cheeks. And then after that, oops, I'm taking this L'Oreal liquid lipstick and applying it to my lips, and this is in the shade Bittersweet. And after that is the final look, and thanks for watching. Watch all my other videos, follow my other accounts in the description, and subscribe, and thank you.